Your YouTube videos aren't failing by accident. There's a system behind it. And if you're a small channel, that system is working against you. Not because your content is bad, but because of how the algorithm reads your video. And once you see this, you won't unsee it. You upload a video, you refresh, 2 views, maybe 5, and then it just stops. Meanwhile, someone else uploads and gets thousands. Same platform, same effort, completely different results. So naturally, you start thinking, what am I doing wrong? But here's the truth. You're not broken. Your strategy is. The algorithm tracks 3 things: click-through rate, watch time, and session time. That's it. Now here's where things get unfair. Big channels already have attention. The moment they upload, people click, which gives them a strong click-through rate instantly, usually around 6 to 8%, without trying. You don't have that. You start at 0. So when your video gets shown to a few people and they don't click immediately, the algorithm reads that as a bad signal, and it stops recommending your video. Now let's talk about retention. The algorithm usually wants around 40 to 50% watch time, but most small creators sit around 25 to 30%, which means even when people click, they leave early, and the algorithm pulls back again. So what you're experiencing isn't random. It's a data disadvantage. So is the algorithm rigged? Not exactly. It's not against you, it's just completely neutral. It doesn't reward effort, it rewards signals. And once you understand that, you can use it. There are 3 signals that matter most. First, clicks. Your title and thumbnail must make people stop scrolling. Not just look good, but force curiosity. Because if nobody clicks, nothing else matters. Second, retention. The first 30 seconds of your video decide everything. If it's slow, people leave. And once they leave early, the algorithm loses confidence in your video. Third, momentum. The goal isn't just to get views, it's to keep people watching. If someone watches your video and then clicks another, that's a powerful signal. That's how channels grow. And this is exactly how small channels break out. Not by luck, not by uploading more, but by triggering these signals correctly. Same algorithm, different results. So here's the real question. Do you think the algorithm is unfair? Or do most creators just not understand how it works? Comment your answer. If you want to grow on YouTube, stop guessing. Start understanding the data. Subscribe.